21,000 5-star reviews. That makes this one of the most popular detailing products on Amazon. In my opinion, guys, Cerakote provides one of the most satisfying and dramatic results of any detailing product currently on the market. Let's get into it. So let me just briefly explain what this stuff is. It behaves similar to like paint almost. It's like a clear coat for your trim pieces. You can use it on bumpers, fender flares, side mirrors, anything that's an unpainted plastic surface on the outside of your car, you can use it. A few items that I would recommend using to ensure this ceramic coating goes on perfect would be rubbing alcohol, extra thin gloves or nitrile exam gloves, and a couple microfiber towels. The kit actually comes with a set of gloves, but they're not great and they just didn't fit my hand properly, so I got some nitrile exam gloves. You really want to be able to maneuver the applicator pad, so the more tight fitting and dexterity you have with these gloves, the better. Now, this stuff really will make even the most faded trim pieces look brand new. It's like magic, honestly. But to make it look incredible, the most important part is the prep work. Whatever plastic piece you're going to be working on, ensure that it's completely clean. Make sure everything's dry, and then you're going to go back with a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol and just really scrub the whole area down. Make sure it's completely free of any debris, any waxes, any coatings, any dressings. Do the prep work and you're going to be blown away with what this looks like after. It's very important that after cleaning and prepping the surface with isopropyl alcohol, it's very important that you let it completely dry. If the panel is not completely dry, the ceramic coating won't properly adhere and it won't give it that nice deep black shine that we're all looking for. As you can see here, this trim piece is almost completely faded. The Jeep Wrangler is in perfect condition, the paint looks amazing, but this faded trim piece makes the vehicle look older than it actually is. We're going to fix that. The kit comes with 10 individual applicator packs. Do make sure that you have your gloves on before you use this, because like I said before, it's basically like clear coat. You don't want to get this on your skin. Now, honestly, this is pretty easy to apply. If it's the first time you've ever done something like this, I would probably recommend masking off the area that you're going to apply the ceramic coating to. I find that with more difficult trim pieces like this, it's nice to get an outer edge and press your finger up against the panel as a guide, kind of to keep it away from the panel. I like doing the most difficult outer edges first, right when you open up the pack, because it's going to be the most saturated with the ceramic coating, and you'll find that the ceramic coating kind of leaches down into the little cracks and crevices. So I think if you do the outer edges first, you're going to get the best results. And this is really the importance of having good quality gloves. What you're seeing here is I'm using my thumb basically as a barrier between the paint and the trim piece, ensuring that I don't get any of that, the trim coating on the paint. And I just continue to do that all the way around the panel, and it just works really easy. Again, you really don't need to tape this off. As long as you take your time, like you'll start to get the technique and you'll start to feel very comfortable. And this stuff applies super easy. You're not having to really like press this stuff in. It has a lot of the ceramic coating impregnated into the applicator pad. Notice me here again, using my 2 fingers as a barrier, protecting the paint against overspill, and I just drag my fingers down that edge, and the ceramic coating just leaches down into the little cracks and crevices like I mentioned before. I would treat the application of this product much like how you would maybe like paint a wall. You don't want to go over a spot that's already well saturated. If you've already hit a spot and it looks good, don't go over it again. And also, don't compare the application of this to a true ceramic coating on paint. It behaves nothing like ceramic coating for paint. Now, ideally, you'd like to be doing this indoors. That wasn't an option for me, so I picked a nice overcast day. There wasn't too much wind. You don't want wind. You don't want direct sunlight. If you do have a garage, that would be the ideal spot to do a project like this. All right, let's get a close-up of the before. Completely sun-bleached wiper shroud. And boom, after. I mean, this looks like a brand new panel. It's unbelievable what this product can do. It really does feel like magic. It works so easy. It's not hard to apply. I even put it on the windshield wipers and it came out amazing. Like I said, any plastic panel piece that's on the outside that's unpainted, you can use this stuff on and it's magic. Go get it. I put a link in the description. You guys won't be disappointed. I think right now it's like 17 bucks on Amazon. The results really are amazing. I recently used it on my F-150 before I traded it in, and I swear it helped with my trade-in value of my truck. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel and please smash that like button. It really helps out with the algorithm. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.